Hey guys, Jason over at Kaiser Willys. While I've got the engine out, we've just removed it. So that's our old engine's out before we put the new one in. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this bell housing off, and we're gonna go ahead and seal up the front part of the transmission. There's a little bit of leaking happening right there. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and seal that up with some Permatex around the cluster shaft. But while I'm in here, there's our bearing. You can see it was really quite clean in here. You've got your spring. So there's a little eyelet here on the front nose cap, and that spring hooks in there. And then I don't know if I can get you there, but right there's a little hole on the carrier sleeve for the throwout bearing. That's where that return spring goes. So when you do the clutch, it moves, and then that puts tension right there. Now, I've got a little bit of a wobble here on the bearing, probably not that bad, but what I'm gonna do is while we're in here, replace anything so we don't have to do it again. So we're gonna take the fork off here, we're gonna take the 4 bolts holding the bell housing on, and we're gonna get this bell housing off of the transmission so that we can then go ahead and seal everything up.